Hey everyone, this is the overview video for day 2 and 3, and I'm going to combine this into one video just because there's enough work for you to complete over 2 days. So let's go into the online distance learning folder, go into Unit 8. So hopefully everybody had a chance to complete everything from day 1. If you didn't, go ahead back and make sure you do that at some point. There's multiple tries for that assignment, so if you didn't like your score the first time, go ahead back in, and then I will take the higher of the two. So for days 2 and 3, you're going to be working on this on April 9th, which is Thursday, and then again on April 14th, which is the next Tuesday. So we have off of school on Friday and Monday for the holiday, so you'll be working on these assignments for those 2 days. So if we go into the folder, everything is listed in order, so everything to do with number 1 goes together, number 2, and then number 3. I would suggest, if you want to split it up between the 2 days, I would say on one of the days, complete task 1, and then on the second day, complete tasks 2 and 3. So number 1 is an assignment that you're going to open a Google Doc, and it's going to allow you to take notes on the website and the video that I have here for you. So this is an interactive website on the cell cycle that is going to help you fill out the first page of the Google Doc, and there is a video about the cell cycle that is going to help you fill out the second page of the Google Doc. And so that right there will probably take you enough time to do on one of those days, maybe day 2. And then this Kahoot right here is to help you review everything that you did on the website and the video. So I would say on day 3, on the 14th, so next Tuesday, go ahead and go through that Kahoot as many times as you need to help refresh your memory everything you did on the previous day. And then this right here is an assignment to help you go through and see if you learned everything from here. Again, there's multiple tries on this assignment, so if you go through it one time and you're like, oh, I didn't realize, what mitosis was, or I need to learn this part of the cell cycle, go back through the website, go back through the video, or even the Kahoot, and do that a second time so you can get the highest score that you want. And that's it for days 2 and 3. Again, that's on Thursday the 9th and then Tuesday the 14th.